Hi, in an earlier video I was talking about my ergonomic mouse, and now I want to show you my keyboard. In a recording session or a studio work, I normally use my easiest and smallest keyboard, which is wired, and also I use a wireless one, but these are normal layout keyboards. And when I need to type more, it's not the best solution. My ergonomic mouse helped me a lot to have less pain during the work. I bought this ergonomic keyboard and it has a huge box, and if you open it, you get another box. So in the box you can find the keyboard only, so no install anything. It's plug and play. First of all, I have noticed the size. It's huge. So if I compare to my normal full-sized keyboard, it's way bigger. So why it's ergonomic? The normal keyboard, you have to type like this, and this is unnatural. But with this keyboard, it's more natural posture. Here is the middle point of the keyboard, and with an angle you are touching the keys. There's a wave here, and also it goes a bit down. It has a great wrist support. It's soft. If you don't want to angle it down, you can remove this part, or you can also lift up the back of the keyboard. This is already my second keyboard. The first one came with lots of scratches. I had scratches here, and the logo was also not well painted. You have a lot of extra keys, like your media controller keys or your assignable function keys. Normally I type with only 2 fingers, so it seems that there's no any meaning of this keyboard. But what is nice, that you have a fixed hand position and you somehow forced to use more fingers, so you became more effective in typing. The downside is the quality of the plastic. It's not wireless, but Microsoft says wired for battery-free operation. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what kind of special keyboard you are using in your home studio. Have a great day and see you next time.